Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. Now please welcome the lovely and the talented Natasha.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. Would you love someone but it goes to waste? Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. And high above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go, when you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will fix you.
Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and the talented Natasha.
Ah, get out of here.
No, that was beautiful. Oh, and you're really a great piano player too.
Ah.
How you guys doing? Lights will guide your home and ignite. Little cutie teddy bears vision quest by Michael Lyons. Should I talk about Little Cutie today?
When do we say hi to the BOOZHOO crew first?
Oh yeah. Where are my manners? Oh, I'm so embarrassed, sweetie. Good morning, Jim Dunn. BOOZHOO Niji. Hello, brother.
BOOZHOO, Jim.
And Kaya. Oi, oi. Oi, oi, Kaya. Mino Kikasheb. Good morning. It's nice to see you. Please, pull up a chair. We're going to discuss teddy bears this morning. We have to get to the bottom of this very serious issue. Teddy bears and vision quests.
Yeah.
And luckily, Daniel Black is here with us.
Hey, Daniel. Minoki Kashabe. Good morning.
How's it going, Mr. Black?
Mr. Black, that's a movie.
That's a movie with none other than the one hunky guy.
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt. Speaking of hunky movie stars, I guess Johnny Depp right now is in a court of law.
Is that right?
Yeah, I saw on YouTube. There's a live streaming of Johnny Depp and the Amber Heard defamation lawsuit. He's got to sue his ex. Were they married?
I think they were married.
You know. Doesn't love exist anymore? I mean, if Johnny Depp can't find love, what hope is there for any of us?
Well, you got me.
Yeah. But I mean, of finding a good girl.
Hey, mister.
Nah. Kaya says, I'm doing a 3-state road trip this morning. Is that right? Are you on the road? On the road again. Kaya just can't wait to get out on the road again.
Playing music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again.
We'll drive safely. You know, you're not saving that much time by speeding. You know, kick back, listen to the show. Next time you stop for gas, put out a little tobacco and say, Kitchamanadu, please protect me. You know, protect me on my journey. Not that kind of journey. I'm not ready to start my journey, so please protect me on my journey. 3 states. But yeah, be careful out there. I hear there's a blizzard coming.
That's what I hear. At least in North Dakota.
Yeah. It hasn't started snowing yet, but sometimes it snows in April.
Sometimes I say, BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO to Mindy Moya.
Oh, is Mindy Moya here?
Yeah, she sure is.
Well, BOOZHOO, Mindy Moya. Welcome back to the show. We're going to talk about teddy bears this morning. I don't know if you hear it, but Natasha played a beautiful rendition or whatever of an old what's that band called?
That's Coldplay.
Coldplay. Whatever that means. Coldplay. Well, come up to Minnesota. You want to play in the cold? You know. That's why you played it so well, because you're a Minnesotan.
That's right.
But she did a Fix You by Coldplay. And then we had a kind of a commercial for Michael's book. Where is it here? Oh, I just had it, sweetie. Oh, here it is. Little Cutie. Teddy Bear's Vision Quest. A lot of the cartoons and stuff you'll see in our music videos and stuff. A lot of those characters come from this book, Little Cutie, a Teddy Bear's Vision Quest. So today, on this beautiful Nijo Gisha Gun, I gotta move Little Cutie here. Little Cutie cover. How's that look? That looks good. Nijo Gisha Good is the second day, Tuesday. And on this Tuesday, my mind goes back to a book I've read more than once. Yeah. I know this book very well. I've read it many times. Little Cutie. Oh, for crying out loud.
Hey, Diane's here.
Oh, is she? Hey, BOOZHOO, Diane. I'm glad you're here. Diane remembers putting on a play, the Onyx Blood play. And we also did a Little Cutie Teddy Bear's Vision Quest on a historic Walker High School theater or whatever. But Little Cutie, a Teddy Bear's Vision Quest. Okay, I got all the other words. Bungi, Wawiya Denda Gozi. Bungi, Wawiya Denda Gozi. Bungi is when you're little. You know. Oh, here comes that little bear. Bungi Makwa. Or a bear cub, or even makunts. Sometimes you gotta add an unts or an ints or whatever. But Bungi means little. And Wawiya Denda Gozi is a cutie. And I've been a little surprised that when we go to like schools and read the story to the kids never laugh at the name. You would almost expect kids to go, what kind of a sissy name is that? But is there a type of orange that's called Little Cutie?
Yeah, I think they're like little cuties. I think that's also a name of like little oranges. Or cuties, or little cuties, or something.
Yeah. But it's based on a real teddy bear. When Michael Lyons was a little guy, he had a red and white teddy bear called Little Cutie. I'm going to show this cover one more time. Little Cutie, a Teddy Bear's Vision Quest. So you might be asking yourself, what's a vision quest? Well, a vision quest is a very sacred, it's like a journey you go to speak with the Creator himself, to find the Great Spirit. A vision quest can be a lot of things, but basically it's looking for a vision. You go out on a quest, a journey, like a, whatever. You got to find and you want a vision. And you go, what? I want a hallucination? There's got to be easier ways to do that than fasting. But in this book, Little Cutie. So the book starts out. Back in the days, the grandfathers. Or maybe it starts, once upon a reservation. That's what it is. Once upon a reservation in northern Minnesota, there was a ragged old red and white teddy bear named Little Cutie. And Little Cutie had a best friend named Aubrey, this little girl. And, they were together all the time. Do I have a picture of Aubrey, you think, sweetie?
We didn't pull one up.
All right. But he overhears Aubrey's parents say, oh, is she still playing with the teddy bear? Isn't she getting a little old for stuffed animals? And little cutie's sitting there on the floor, and he's like, yeah, she probably is. And you know what I've noticed? She's, she's getting older. She's starting to have other interests. She likes to listen to music really loud and play air guitar in the mirror. She likes to draw cartoons on the kitchen table. She's playing with little cutie less and less. She's, out riding her bike and stuff. So he thinks he's got to go out and go live with the real bears. Actually, he doesn't think that right away. He just knows he's got to leave. So the day comes, he opens a window in the back room there and crawls out. He takes one long, last look at the only home he had ever known. He's just sad. And pretty soon, who shows up? Old OJIBERISH, the squirrel. And OJIBERISH was like, hey, little cutie, what's up? How's it going, my brother? It's so great to see you. OJIBERISH just loves little cutie. He goes, oh, hi. He goes, how am I doing? Bad. He goes, why bad? He goes, I got to move out. Aubrey's outgrown me, and now I got to live out in the woods or something. And OJIBERISH goes, Aubrey said that? That doesn't sound like her, but quite frankly, good. No offense, little cutie, but I don't know how you let yourself live with those humans in the first place. I don't let them within 20 feet of me. You might have noticed this. Yeah, I'll crawl all around their property and stuff, but if a human comes out, no thank you. But listen, little cutie, you're a bear, aren't you? You're a teddy bear. Why don't you go live with the bears at the old res dump? I'll see them down there. And little cutie goes, really? The real bears? Yeah, I guess that makes sense. And OJIBERISH's all like, you telling me you've never lived with your own kind? Yeah, man, you got to go back, get traditional. Go to the res dump and live with the bears. So little cutie's like, all right. And off he goes. And he gets as far as the chicken coop at the edge of the property. And he hears Baka Akwe. Baka Akwe, the old chicken. Chicken, Baka Akwe. And the chicken's all like, bok, 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 and just mad. And you can hear just a commotion and a bunch of feathers and stuff. And out tunneling underneath the fence, there's Wagosh, the fox, Wagosh. And Baka Akwain's like, hey, you Wagosh, you stay away from my babies. You stay away from my eggs. Next time you come back here, you leave with a black eye. You come here, And Wagosh is all, oh, really? You think I'm too chicken not to come back again tomorrow? And then by this time, little cutie's up there. He's like, oh, you better. That was the wrong thing to say. And Wagosh is like, let's get out of here. I think I went too far with that last one. So off they go into the woods together. Wagosh and little cutie, and Wagosh goes, so what brings you out here in the woods? Where's Aubrey? He goes, well, that's the problem. I'm on my way to go live with the bears in the old res dump. And Wagosh goes, what, the real bears? Are you out of your mind? You'd be lucky if those real bears didn't use you as a pillow. I mean, come on, look at you. You got no claws, you got no teeth. Your nose is just a black felt triangle. You're not going to fit in there. And little kitty's like, well, what should I do? Because listen, man, you got to go talk to the Great Spirit. You got to go on a vision quest. Little kitty says, what's a vision quest? Well, Ghosh is all, I don't even know. I hear all these, warriors talking, go on a vision quest. I don't even know. You need to go talk to, I guess, the eagle. Migazy, he's all traditional. Go find the eagle down by the lake. And Loki goes, all right. So off he goes looking for the eagle. Meanwhile, he gets halfway down there, and who's he bump into? Gogh, the skunk. And Gogh's all, "Hey, little cutie, what's up? Here's my brother. Just happy to see him." Everybody loves little cutie. And little cutie tells him what's going on, and Gogh's all, "Pfft. Oh, Wagosh, is that what he said? You got to go on a vision quest?" Yeah. Listen, the day I listened to a fox, to a scoundrel like the Wagosh, they kind of badmouth each other. And he goes, "No, I don't know." He goes, "Number one, you don't have to talk to the eagle for anything. Everybody thinks the eagle's so wise and spiritual, because he doesn't impress me. You know who's really the brains of that operation?" The little kitty says, "Who's that?" Goes, "It's Mamengwa." Or as Michael Lyons likes to spell it, Mengenetwa. Oh, did I misspell that? Yeah. Butterfly. Mengenetwa. Or Memengwa. Memengwa is how it's supposed to be spelled. Memengwa. He says, yeah, Memengwa is the brains of the operation. Migazi, the eagle, yeah, everyone thinks he's the big, I'm always so spiritual and patriotic. I'm the symbol of the country. He goes, never mind that. Who you want to talk to if you're going on a vision quest is the butterfly. Butterfly knows all about transformation and that. So off he goes looking for the butterfly. And sure enough, Migazi and Memengwa are, they're best friends. They're always talking. And they're flying around way up there in the sky. And Memengwa says to Migazi, the eagle, he goes, "You know what? You don't have to settle for being just an eagle. That's all I'm saying. Take a look at me. I used to be the ugliest little worm in the forest. Nobody took me seriously. And then I took some time. I cocooned myself away from all my family and friends. Spent some me time. Worked on myself. And when I emerged, I came out the most beautiful winged creature of the forest. The most beautiful one of all." And the eagle's like flying around going, "Yeah, okay. You're the most beautiful, huh?" But he didn't care. He was looking for fish. Eagles are great fishermen. Huh, sweetie?
Yeah, they sure are.
But, so pretty soon, they see little cutie down there, and they're like, "Hey, let's go say hi to little cutie." And they land down, and little cutie's like, "Hey, guys, what's up?" And they go, "Hey, little cutie, what's going on?" And he fills them in that he's looking for a vision or a great spirit or something. And Migazi says, "You know what? I was just going to go see the great spirit myself. You want to ride?" And he goes, "Yeah, sure." So he grabs little cutie by the back of his neck and he flies off into the air. Here we got a little teddy bear just a mile up in the sky. You can see for miles and miles. And then pretty soon they hear some guitar music. And he goes, "Oh, there, that must be him. He's always playing that guitar." And they land, and there's a guy with a curly ponytail. And he's playing acoustic guitar. He's got ripped up jeans. Looks like somebody I know, but let's not get into that. And then there's an alien there playing the harmonica, Steven, and a couple other animals and stuff. And he's like, "Hey, little cutie, what are you doing here?" He goes, "Listen," he goes, "Oh, how do you know my name?" And Gitchimanadu, the great spirit, he sets his guitar down, picks up little cutie, puts him on his lap, and he says, "Don't you know how you got that name? I gave you that name because that's how I saw you, little and cute. But don't mistake what you think are your shortcomings with what is your great power." He goes, "Haven't you noticed how nobody in the woods seems to get along? The fox torments the chickens. The skunk doesn't respect the fox. The the eagles, they don't, everybody kind of badmouths each other, but everybody likes you. You get along with everybody. And he goes, and what is the one animal that nobody trusts? Little cutie thinks for a second, goes, the human being? Because that's right, people. And you are the only one that they allowed into their homes. Right into their house, right into their beds, a little girl. Because because of you're so little and cute, nobody's afraid of you. But that's your power. Because you're so little and cute, you've been able to learn from everybody else. And just then they could hear a little girl's voice in the distance. Little cutie, where are you? And Gitchamana goes, come on, fellas, let's get out of here. And with a strum of a magical power chord, they all vanished and reappeared on Steven's spaceship way out in space. But they left little cutie right there in the clearing all by himself. And Aubrey comes out and she goes, oh my, what are you doing out here? I thought I lost you. How did you get way out here in the woods? And she scooped up little cutie and ran back home with him. And sure enough, as the years went by, Aubrey did have many adventures out in the world without little cutie. But, she always came home eventually. And this is the story of Bungi Wawi Dendagozi. Little cutie. You're a little cutie, sweetie.
No, get out of here. I love that story.
Yeah, it was a pretty sweet story. You knocked it out of the ballpark this time, Michael. Hey, thanks a lot, buddy. If you'd like to order little cutie, click the links to Amazon.com. But all the woodland animals have these Ojibwe names. Ojidamu, squirrel. Wagosh, fox. Jagog, skunk. Migazi, eagle. Mengenewa, Mengenewa, butterfly. Memengwa, butterfly. Baka-akwain. You can spell Baka-akwain, but you can't spell Memengwa, huh? Yeah. Is a chicken. And Mukwa is a bear. I'm from the chicken clan.
Are you really?
Yep. Baka-akwain Dodeum. Our clan is known for being cowards.
No.
Yep. We're known for being cowards and fast runners. The first sign of trouble, we're out of there. We're the chicken clan.
No, get out of here.
So, what else is going on?
Not much.
Gwen Carley's here.
What was you, Gwen?
Hey, Gwen, what's going on? And Ruby.
Was you, Ruby?
Excuse me. Wigglebutt Farm. BOOZHOO Wigglebutt Farm.
Good morning, Wigglebutt.
Cousin Missy.
BOOZHOO, Missy.
And Nancy Schmancy says, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, Natasha, and Michael. Nancy doesn't forget about you, Michael. Hey, Nancy. And good morning, everyone. BOOZHOO, Mino Giga Jabe, Gakina. Gakina is like all, everyone. Gakina Ayan would be everybody. Good morning, everybody. Miigwetzi. Beautiful, says Sequoia Hummingbird. Miigwetch. Or Michael, I think he's talking about your story. Hey, thanks a lot, Sequoia. And good morning. Nancy Schmancy says, we got our books not too long ago. We love Little Cutie too. Hey, thanks, Nancy. Yeah, that's great. La, la, la. You know, you got to go into the tax place on Thursday. Yeah, I know. At noon. Yep. I won't say live how much you made on your royalties this year, but let's just say I think you're buying breakfast today. And Kaya says, my boy loves this one too. Favorite bedtime story. Isn't it a sweet bedtime story? Yeah. Do you still have Little Cutie? You know what? I don't. I think I might have given it to my high school girlfriend. Yet, given him. But I'm not 100% sure. Years ago, I tried to find him and wasn't at my parents' house, and I couldn't imagine just losing him. So I think I gave him away. La 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 do do do. Did you have a favorite teddy bear?
Yep.
What was your favorite teddy bear's name?
It wasn't a bear, it was a dog.
A dog? What was your dog's name?
Doggy.
Doggy?
Yeah.
Hello, this is my dog, Doggy.
Yeah. Well, I was just a little baby when I named him.
Doggy.
I had him until, like, all of his fur and stuff was worn away. And then my grandma made new ears and stuff. Put new velvet.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yep.
Because I'm a macho man,
Yeah.
I never played with, stuffed animals. When I was a kid, I slept with a shotgun.
You did not.
Yeah. Like some kids have teddy bears and that. I had a loaded gun in my crib, just in case. They said I was paranoid, but I was like, oh, what did the government tell you to say that? You guys are the paranoid ones. No. No, of course I had stuffed animals and that. Still do. Well, let's see. So today is Tuesday, sweetie. And you know what that means?
Dig, if you will, a picture day.
Sure does. Dig, if you will, this picture. Tuesdays have become traditionally, if we think about it, dig, if you will, a picture day, where we, like the artist formerly known as a living, breathing person called Prince, formerly known as not dead Prince.
Hey, don't make fun of that. Today is probably the anniversary of his death.
It is in April. When did he die exactly?
I don't know.
But I shouldn't laugh. Dig, if you will, a picture. This is the day where we look at some artwork and just dig into it, Can we tell the difference between good art and bad art? Or do we just listen to the art teachers and the college professors tell us what's good? So for me, one of my favorite pieces of art is this little gem from the Sistine Chapel. Michelangelo painted hundreds of these figures. And this is just one little snapshot of a nondescript, don't know the story, don't know the character. But you can see it's just the most beautiful. There's a whole story in her eyes. And it depicts the most incredible talent of a painter. Michelangelo. All right, can we agree on that? Okay. Not to be confused with, let's say, Keanu Reeves' girlfriend's painting.
You're going to compare Keanu Reeves' girlfriend's painting?
Yeah, because quite frankly, Keanu Reeves' girlfriend has made more money than Michelangelo. And this is the sort of bizarre rantings of a lunatic that goes for art these days. This is the kind of thing that makes, Hunter Biden seem like a good artist.
No.
Keanu Reeves' girlfriend, she's an abstract painter. But for my money, you know who I like, sweetie? You're gonna make people mad. No, I'm not. I like Hitler.
You like the paintings of Hitler.
Oh yeah, I mean I like the paintings of Hitler. Oh no, yeah, don't get me wrong. But here's a Hitler painting, right? Adolf Hitler. Just a stunning, yeah. It makes me question the whole Hitler narrative. That he was such a sensitive, technically proficient oil painter. As opposed to and and I'm a fan of this guy, so I shouldn't be trashing him. But I guess I'm just not a fan of his artwork. Who did it better? Adolf Hitler or Sylvester Stallone? Who is a better artist? Sylvester Stallone, Adolf Hitler. You decide. Now, me personally, I've based my life on the teachings of Sly Stallone, But just imagine if Sylvester Stallone had painted this. Let's pretend that this is a trick we could say to people. I'll go like this. Go. Today we're going to talk about the great painter Sylvester Stallone. Look at him standing by his great painting, huh? Yeah, isn't he a great painter, you guys? You love it? Really? Oh, well then I guess you love Hitler painting. And then you could make people feel bad. Why would you want to make people feel bad? Because art. There's Sylvester Stallone painting. Just the kind of thing you do when you don't have any friends. Like, oh, hey, by the way, you are a great actor. I would even say a great screenwriter, playwright, whatever. You do many things. You're very talented in many ways. Obviously, your artwork is still at a child level. You're not ready to have an art show, Sly. But nobody told him that. And he probably sold that thing because he's famous for $1 million. Yeah. So finally, I just want to show this real quick. There was a little girl who had a near-death experience. And when she came back, she was a great painter. This is her. This awkward teenage girl, preteen, whatever. This is how she paints. She died, went to heaven. She met Jesus. She came back, and Arkiane Karmarika or something. She's like a Norwegian girl or something. She's a little girl, she started to draw. That's a 5-year-old who drew that charcoal thing of a hand. Check that out. Right? 5-year-old. Born with artistic talent. And there's her dad. He's like, yeah, I made $1 million selling my kids' drawings. What'd your kid do? But then when she came back from dying, she painted this picture of Jesus. And all her pictures became religious drawings. This little kid, look at her. How in the world? And then look at just the quality of those paintings. This just goes on for 10 more seconds. I'll probably get a copyright strike. There's Jesus. Green eyes. No, Jesus was black. Well, take it up with that kid. That little girl says he's got green eyes.
Those are amazing.
Yep. So after Hitler, she's my favorite painter. Dig, if you will, a picture of Prince with a big old afro.
He liked to paint like Bob Ross.
Nobody knew that Prince was a painter. I like Bob Ross too.
Yeah.
I'm not all, you can't impress me with being famous like Van Gogh. He's so great because he's famous.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah?
You want to take a call?
Oh, sure, I'll take a call. Caller, welcome back to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Dude, not cool. Not cool at all. Hey, Keanu Reeves. Sweetie, it's Keanu Reeves.
Hi, Keanu.
Hello, Natasha. Listen, NANABOOZHOO, got a bone to pick with you. Oh, really? What's the matter? Don't dig what you said about my girlfriend's art. Don't dig it one bit. What'd I say about your girlfriend's art? You said my girlfriend was a bad painter. She's a great painter. Has an art show in Hollywood. She made $1 million. Yeah, well, I'm sure she's a profitable painter, but, okay, hold on. Let me just pull up a picture of your girlfriend's painting, all right? Yeah, see? That's just as good as anything Michelangelo ever did. No, it's not. It's not even art. It is art. It's modern art, and beauty's in the eye of the beholder. No, this is just crap you scribble on the back of a notebook. Yeah, it was. It was on the cardboard part of the back of a notebook, and I think it's pretty good. I paid $1 million for it. Oh, you bought this? Yeah, that's mine. See, she wrote, I love you backwards and forwards. Yeah, see, this is just pen on cardboard or something. It's just stupid. No, she's going to illustrate a children's book for me. It's going to be great. It's going to be better than anything Michael Lyons ever did. You hear that, Michael? Yeah. Good luck to that. I'm sure it will be. No, your girlfriend's not a good enough artist to even illustrate a coloring book. No, she's great. Hey, honey, come over here and defend yourself. I'm trying to tell NANABOOZHOO. Well, I guess what I'm trying to say, NANABOOZHOO. Yeah? That you should keep my girlfriend's name out of your mouth. Are you trying to be like Will Smith? Yeah, I guess I can't. I'm not a very good actor. Oh, you're a great actor. Everybody loves you. Come on, sweetie. Why don't you come over and say hi to NANABOOZHOO?
What's going on?
Hello, Keanu Reeves' girlfriend. I was trashing your art. I'm really sorry.
My what now?
We were talking about this ridiculous painting of yours. Not a fan, but I didn't know you were going to be watching this morning, so I probably wouldn't have said anything.
I can't see without my glasses. Who is this?
This is NANABOOZHOO, the art critic. Yeah, he said your paintings weren't very good, darling. I told him better keep your name out of his mouth. I was going to slap him. Chris Rock style. Yeah. I think that's Will Smith style. Well, you'll be slapped like Chris Rock. Okay.
I don't like me paintings. Well, maybe I like my knittings.
Your knittings?
I'm knitting a shawl for me because, I'm an old lady and I pooped my pants.
Oh, I gotta go, NANABOOZHOO. Keep my girlfriend's name out of your mouth. It's gnarly. It's not cool. Okay, sorry, dude. All right, hang on, darling. I'm gonna clean your depends. Kikawaba min, minawa, NANABOOZHOO. Yep, Kikawaba min, minawa. Keanu.
Hey, well, he's got to defend his girlfriend.
Yeah, he's got a point. I mean, who am I to criticize? At least she's trying.
You got another call?
Oh, no. Who is it this time? You're not going to like it. It's Van Gogh. It's Van Gogh. Vincent Van Gogh, famous painter. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Nanaboozhoo. I bet you think you're real smart, huh?
No.
What gives you the right to judge other people's art? You said I was overrated? I'm a genius.
You're a genius?
Yeah, man. I'm a great painter. You should see some of my paintings. They're great.
I've seen your paintings. They're not great.
No, I did Starry Night, where it's kind of like this thing. And I did the other one with the flowers.
Yeah, you did the sunflowers.
Yeah, I'm a genius. And I even cut off my ear.
Why did you cut off your ear?
Because I wanted to be more like Paul Stanley. You know, Paul Stanley was only born with one ear.
Yeah, I know. But that was years after you died.
I had no way of knowing that. I was just a kid. So I cut off my ear, and I was like, answering the phone, I'd be like, hello? Hello, who's there? And it doesn't even work. And then I realized I had the phone up to my wrong side of my head.
Yeah. What can I do for you?
I just wanted to call, tell you don't know what you're talking about. Some of that art's really good.
Yeah? What kind of art do you like?
I like, Sylvester Stallone art.
You like the art of Sylvester Stallone?
Yeah, he's Rocky.
Yeah. Did a big old, I'm not sure what it means. But it sure is colorful, like a finger painting.
No, just take a closer look. You guy's a genius.
I don't think he's a genius. Well, actually, I do think he's a genius, but just not at painting. I see the face. And 2119 probably means something to him. But I don't know. And he's like, hey, yo, look at that. I got a little guy. I drew a little red man there. That's me as Italian stallion.
Makes more money than you.
And I make more money than you did. So what does that say?
That's true. I didn't make any money on my art. Everybody after I died made money off of me.
Yeah. But sorry you were so unhappy and unfulfilled in your life. You had to end it all early.
Yep, well, I'm a tragic figure, but that's part of my genius.
I don't know. Did you know that about Vincent Van Gogh?
That he killed himself? Yeah.
No, they cut his ear off to look more like Paul Stanley.
I don't think that's true. I think he's just saying that.
Why did you really cut off your ear?
No, I didn't even know who Paul Stanley was. You know what? I cut off my ear and gave it to a girl.
You gave your ear to a girl?
Yeah, I really liked her. I wanted to show her just how serious I was.
By cutting off your ear?
Yeah. I was like, listen, you want to talk to me? Say it in my ear. Say it in my good ear. So I gave her my good ear.
That's really creepy.
Yeah, she thought it was pretty creepy too. She screamed. I don't know, man.
Listen, I better get going.
All right, hey, Nanaboozhoo.
Yeah?
How you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, you just kind of say, I'll see you again. Gi gawaba min minawa.
Gi gawaba min minawa, Nanaboozhoo.
You too, Vincent Van Gogh.
Vincent Van Gogh.
Vinny Van Gogh. I just don't Vinny Van get it.
What do you mean?
I don't quite understand why he calls in.
Well, he's got to check you,
He's got to check me before he wrecks me. I don't know. Shannon Hall is here, sweetie.
Oh, bonjour, Shannon.
Hello, Shannon. And Kaya says, Van Gogh's early work was good till he hit 18 or so. Oh, is that right? That was probably before he lost his mind. The ravings of a madman. After that, I think maybe he should have cut his hand off instead of an ear. Yeah, should have cut off his painting hand. Went and did something else. But, do you want to get up here, sweetie?
Sure.
All right. Here's a song that is about the impermanence of life. Is that what it's about? I guess. This is Snow on Skin. And up next, the lovely and talented Natasha. Miigwech Bizen Da Wieg. Thank you for listening. And the road is closed. Still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. And I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin, snow on skin. From what I've seen, nothing's meant to last, but I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. But how long do I have, and how long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin, snow on skin. What I've seen, nothing's meant to last. That's for sure. And I can't move forward.
Why is that?
And I'm living in the past. And I'm living in the past. And I'm living in the past. I'm living in the past.
BOOZHOO! Hey everybody! So nice to be here. So happy to be here today. Neiman Wyndham. I'm happy. G-A-I-N to be Oma here Noongum.
today. I'm happy to be here today. I'm happy to be here anyway. Yeah, yeah. La la. Just I come out here, maybe put out some tobacco, maybe say a little prayer to the Great Spirit. To get you Manadu. Wagwing Abion. To the Great Spirit who art in heaven. Hallowed be thy name. La la la. Do do do. Na 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 na. Right. Was it yesterday we were talking about how singing can be a prayer too? It is, I think. I mean, obviously there's church songs. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like little me. But I think any kind of singing that you do with your soul is a prayer because it's soul communication. And so, that's why sometimes I just kind of sing my prayers. Get you mana do the gawi to go wishing, please help me. But I'm going to do that today. Got some Asema. Little pinch of tobacco. Get you mana do. Wakwing Abiam. Great Spirit who art in heaven. Dagawi duka wishin ando menaway nun gum. Please help me to speak well today. Ikwach ka ishi kakina keku ka ishi chike nun gum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Mikwach ka ishi my buck. Thank you for the weather. Mikwach ka ishi gisha cook. Thank you for this day. Mikwach oh bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Mikwach ka gay gush ningush kingdom moen. Thank you for healing my grief. Mikwach bizendawie. Thank you for listening. Abe Amen. Amen. Baby doll now. Amen. Yeah, 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 yeah. La-di-da-di. Mm-hmm. Oh, the birds are back. I'm back. I don't even know where I am. I'm not in Kansas anymore. And I'm not in northern Minnesota anymore. I'm somewhere on the foothills of a mountain. Maybe I'm in the Sound of Music place. Where was that? Switzerland? Sweden? Doe, a deer, a female deer. So if you're young, there used to be this movie called The Sound of Music. The Sound of Music. And there were these little Norwegian kids, little Scandinavian kids. I don't know where they were. The Swiss Alps, probably in Switzerland. And okay, I'll be honest with you. I never actually saw the movie. I'm just sort of familiar with this one scene. There's some broad who's, I guess, a babysitter or something. And they're living in the mountains and beautiful heavenly mountains. And she goes, hey, let's sing a song. And these little kids go, but we don't know how to sing. And so she goes, you don't know how to sing? I don't know what to tell you. But instead she says, well, I'll teach you. It all begins with doe, a deer, a female deer. Oh, jokey, like a doe. Got it, like a buck and a doe. Doe, a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. golden sun. Jesus, the golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. It's not really a name as much as like a pronoun, I think. He, she, me. Me, a name I call myself. Far, a long, long way to run. You see, in Switzerland or England or wherever this movie takes place, they don't pronounce their R's like we do in Minnesota. They say, oh, far, far, far away. In Minnesota, we're like, far. I'm going to run far away. I'm going to drive far away in my car because we pronounce our R's. But they don't pronounce it. Far, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. Fa, or la, a note that follows so. Me, a drink with jam and, no, tea. A drink with jam and bread. And that will bring us back to do, oh, 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 do. I have a really low register too. Some people are surprised. Do, do, do. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Nah. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I don't know. That's all I know of that song. Anyway. So, yeah, Gitchy Manadu, thank you for everything in my life. I really appreciate. Things just keep looking up. Things just keep getting better and better. Well, I don't know. I guess I could keep getting better. I just keep appreciating it more and more. Maybe that's it. Let me watch for my life. Bemadazian. A good life. Mino Bemadazian. And coming soon, watch for Mino Bemadazi. We'll explain what that is in the weeks to come. But I don't want to ruin the surprise. Alright, I'm going to go back. Bloop.
Okay, BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
Would you like me to teleport you home?
Yeah, could ya?
Yeah, no problem. Let me just scan for your coordinates.
Alright.
Alright, I'm locking in. And, don't move.
Don't move.
Yeah, I just locked in on your coordinates. If you move, I might only teleport part of you and rip you in half.
Okay.
1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No.
Hey, sweetie.
Oh, hi.
How was it outside and in that other state?
It was beautiful. It was perfect. It was in a meadow of lilac on the foothills of some beautiful mountain. It made me think of that movie, The Sound of Music.
Oh, you know, I never saw it.
Yeah, me either. But it made me think of that one scene where they sing the little do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And then I prayed. I prayed first, I guess.
Oh, okay. Do you want to take a call?
I could. It's getting late.
Let's just take this call really quick.
Why?
Because it's super funny.
Is it going to get us into trouble?
Yep.
Why would we do that?
I don't know.
Okay. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Hey there, Natasha. It's me, the ghost of George Floyd.
Well, hi, ghost of George Floyd. Sweetie, this isn't going to get us into trouble.
Oh, I thought maybe people would think it was in bad taste.
Bad taste? No, of course not. He's our friend. Hi, ghost of George Floyd. What can I do for you?
Well, Natasha, I was wondering, can I learn the word for Tuesday in the Ojibwe?
Yeah, sure you can. Today is the second day, and it's Nijo Gisha Good.
Nizo Giza Good, the second day. Tuesday. That's a good word.
Yeah, it is. Listen, we're out of time, so I'm going to have to let you go, okay?
Sir, hey, tell me if I'm saying this right.
Okay.
Gigawabamin, Minawa.
That was perfect, Ghost of George Floyd.
I just wanted to say, I'll see you again.
Yeah, I'm sure we will. Gigawabamin, Minawa, George Floyd.
The ghost of George Floyd.
Oh, right, the ghost of George Floyd. You know, because he's dead.
Yeah, because he's dead.
Well, not worth the risk at all.
Kind of worth the risk.
Okay. Did you want to chime in?
Absolutely not.
Okay, everybody. Just want to say, miigwech bizendawiyeg. Thank you so much for listening. Dash miigwech ganawabiyeg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture and unnecessarily irreverent, socially charged humor.
Yeah.
My name is Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
This is Michael Lyons, rockstar cartoonist.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Baby,
One to teleport.
see you tomorrow. Make it so, number one.